Today we're gonna make torta della nonna, grandma's pie, and we're gonna make it using my grandma recipe.
No. We're gonna be making it using my recipe, yeah?
All right.
So we start with the flour.
Okay, Giuseppe.
Add loads of butter to that one. So you want to keep pinching it. This is what it should look like, you see? Icing sugar,
Eggs
vanilla.
and lemon zest.
Get your hands dirty, come on. There you go, perfect. Now you start squeezing it together. Push it down with the palm of your hand, like that. Fold it over and keep doing this just a couple of times.
Now cover it in cling film and put it in the fridge for half an hour. Now let's make the pistachio cream.
I've got milk on the hob and I'm adding vanilla.
So egg and sugar together, like that.
Corn flour. That's perfect, Francesco. I'm gonna be adding just a bit of hot milk to it. Gently stir it. This is called tempering the egg. And you want to do it gradually, otherwise you'll end up with scrambled eggs. And then in it goes back in the pan. Beautiful. You need to bring it to a very gentle boil. When you see the cream going plop, that's done.
Now pistachio butter.
We can loosen it up with a little bit of cream. Look at the color, it's beautiful. And the good thing is that this is all natural. There is no coloring, nothing. There's something missing. Did you have the salt? Immediately you've got to cover it up. Let it cool down to room temperature and then in the fridge. Time to get rolling. So we'll split this in half, roughly. One smaller piece than the other. So this is much easier now to handle because it's been resting in the fridge. Ideally, you want to roll always going forward away from you. You never do that way. It stays more even, the pressure is more even, and you spin your pastry around instead. Gently unroll it over your tin like that. Prick a few holes in the bottom so it doesn't blow up in the oven, and the pistachio cream goes in.
Mamma mia. Make it all even. Me to hold it.
Please.
So you're now sealing it all around,
Sealing
correct?
it all around. Now I'm folding the sides down. With the back of a knife again, we can just
Oh,
pinch
okay,
some
I
slits
see.
on the side to make it look prettier. Now all that is left to do is to brush it on with some egg white, pierce a few holes around, and that's the pretty bit. Pine nuts on the top as well. Now that goes at 180 static in the oven at the bottom of your oven for about 45 minutes. You're gonna have to take it out. This is where everything can go wrong.
Beautiful. Ole.
Chocolate and pistachio is a marriage made in heaven.
Mate, this is delicious.
I know.
Enjoy.